right, so here we are, another month in. So far, uh, I didn't quite make the goal that I had. I really wanted to try to have the floors and the walls done this month, but I mean, what can you do? You know what I mean? You run into other problems and expenses and stuff like that. So I'm pretty close anyway. So where we left off on the last one, I believe I was like cleaning up the property on the outside, and like I think Mitch was taking my stuff to the dump. Yeah, so uh, since the room started getting gutted and the drywall is completely done on the second floor, one of the rooms are already painted to completion. The one room, and then the other room is painted, but these are all upstairs. But the rooms upstairs, they're getting trim. Like the one room's done, but and I left it all original, the baseboard and everything. That's another thing too. Like the baseboard got torn out of the entire house, so uh, everything's getting replaced, and drywalled. I made the decision, I was going to leave some rooms alone, but everything pretty much needed drywalled up there, except for the one bedroom. And downstairs, same deal. Uh, Mitch has been laying patch. I mean, everything's level downstairs. He's almost done with the subflooring. He only has to do the living room, and then the subflooring's done. And I can start doing flooring upstairs if I had to. But uh, so one bedroom complete. Second bedroom is painted. It just needs trim. Window trim, crown molding, and baseboard. But I want to do all that. That's going to be getting done pretty much all throughout, except for the hallway. So I'm going to get all of that at once and stain it all at once, and then hang it all at once. Uh, and then the third bedroom is going to have the same deal. It is completely drywalled and ready to paint. I just haven't painted it yet. And then I have to go out into the hallway. He's still patching some stuff up in the hallway, and then the hallway can be painted. Then I'm going to just basically follow him around. He's going to be drywalling the living room and dining room as I'm painting the upstairs. That's the goal for the next week or two. So, and there's so much going on, and the kitchen is done. I mean, the kitchen's painted. It's not done like it's not a kitchen yet, but the drywall, the walls are painted in the kitchen. It was such a task. I can't even describe it. It was a grease disaster. I mean, the ceilings were black. I had to use a Swiffer and degrease the ceilings like 5 times over just to have paint stick to it. And it was the most disgusting disaster that I ever tried to paint through or had to clean before prepping. It was horrible. And some of the spots I'm still kind of questionable. I'm like, man, I hope that sticks. But I mean, I wiped it down the best I could, and I mean, it almost needed gutted, and it was already drywalled, so I would hate to have to do that. And then, but it looks great. The floor is tiled in there. The den is in the process of being tiled. Have a new back door on, and most importantly, uh, we had a fire, and I mean, it was a 13-hour fire, and we burnt everything that was in the yard, everything that was holding me up from having a normal yard, because the grass is growing. I already had my buddies come out and mow it once, and they said it was like really scary because there's all this debris everywhere. So I was like, I got to burn this stuff once and for all. I tried to burn it slow and incrementally, but it very soon turned into a bonfire, and it's gone. It's done. And I'm so thankful to my cousin and my friends for coming over and helping me. It's gone. That huge pile, that pile was almost the size of the garage. It was immense. So it's that thing's gone, and trying to think of what else. I didn't write this down or anything. This is just off the top of my head. So that's how I make these videos. I know I should get organized, but uh, yeah, new back door. It's gonna have a safety keypad. It's just gonna have a keypad to get in and out, so that certain people can still have access. But certain jobs are getting done and certain guys are going to be gone because their part in it is done. I ordered flooring for the downstairs. It's like a light gray, almost white wood. And I know I'm like so not into light colors. I prefer like a walnut or a dark or a gray. But this is a gray, but it's a light gray. And it's going to go perfectly because the tiles in the living room, or the tiles that are in the kitchen and in the den, are black marble. And he's using a gray grout. So I guess I'm going to go with a black, white, gray scheme, throughout. Not really white, but black and gray. And the walls are all antique white. That's getting done all throughout because they're kind of prepped in case I want to paint something else, but they're a shade off of white, which gives it character and gives it color. And you could still, if you wanted to change color, if like for the future, if I end up selling this place or something like that, or renting it out, or I don't know, they have the option that they could probably, which I'm going to make it the way I would want it living there. I'm treating this place as if I live there, as if I'm moving into it, and how I would have my own house if it was like a bachelor pad or something. And I'm not getting too crazy with anything. I'm leaving it open for interpretation, but it's just kind of I'm making it. I want it to be clean but cozy, if that makes sense. I want it to flow all throughout the same characteristics. Uh, I don't want to just like lay different flooring in every room. I want it to follow all throughout. That way, it looks like one. Everything looks not the same. You can have your own. Every room can be decorated different. Every room serves a different purpose, but yet it all matches and feels right and flows right. I feel like that's probably the most important thing. It's I didn't quite hit the goal, but I'm pretty much there. I mean, the walls should be drywalled by the end of the week. Flooring is ordered. Still have to pay for it, and but it's ordered. It's coming in next Thursday. So then the flooring on the downstairs will begin, and then all that will be left is to lay flooring on the upstairs, which won't be a hard task. And then I'm hoping I'm just going to push that to the next month. I'm hoping to have that done by the end of next month. And the den ceiling got torn out, so the den ceiling needs redone because we were worried that there was going to be mold up there because some of the insulation got wet from that leak, and it was all throughout, so it needed ripped out. Pattern, because it's like a textured on the other half. It's it is this plaster and a broom or a sponge or whatever. But my buddy's gonna do that, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna start saving up for like my next venture. I don't know how long it'll take me. I'm gonna be doing all kinds of stuff in between, but my next goal, by the end of the summer, is to have siding on there. And I took some before and after AI pictures, and I'm gonna start focusing on my tattoo studio and my slash art studio, whatever you want to call it. And I'm hoping by the end of the year to have the studio and the house done. Like not maybe not done, but like sided, livable, and that's the main goal, huh? That's I'll run into a million problems by then, but so I don't know how. That's just the goal, it's an outline, but it's coming along. It's almost done on the inside, and I still have to get light fixtures. I have to get doors, for the rooms, and then trim it all out. Which I have to. It's another big thing. I still have the ceiling to do, which is going to all be in walnut. So that's going to be a big task for most of the rooms. Uh, but we're getting there day by day, and I'll keep you updated. You'll see a lot more done next month when I post another video, and I don't know. Who knows where the twists and turns will lead to? I might go completely. The next time I post a video of this place, it might be completely different from what I just described. Probably will, but yeah, that's the fun part about it, isn't it? It's to be creative and to enjoy yourself while you're creating this space. I'm excited about it. I have fun doing it. I'm excited every day something gets done. Uh, it's not stressful to me. It's something to really look forward to, and to have in my family for whatever reason, whatever I need it for. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.